Hello everyone, my name is Abigail, and in today's video I will be showing you all how to bleed your brakes by yourself. You would have to do this if you have recently replaced a part from your brake system, or if your brakes have no pressure on them and it takes a while for your car to stop. Bleeding your brakes will help the hydraulic system get rid of any air that affects the performance of your brakes. For the purpose of this video, I will be using a vacuum pump. I will be doing this on an Acura TSX 2005, but this same process should work on different models. So to get started, you will have to locate the brake fluid reservoir, which is right here on the TSX. And when you try to open it, you want to make sure that you clean it first so that no dust or dirt goes in. Now that you open it, you want to be careful because brake fluid can damage your paint, so you want to hold it with your towel. Take out this protector that it has, holding it with my towel. Here's where the vacuum pump will come in. We will use it to take out all the oil from the brake fluid reservoir. Right here, I am using the vacuum pump to take out all of the brake fluid from the reservoir. I could not find my oil pan, so I will be using this bucket to pour out my brake fluid. I will clean it again one last time to make sure that So right now it has the minimum as I can see, but I'm going to add fresh fluid. I'll put the cap back on, but I will not close it. I could not find my cross wrench, so I'm using a ratchet and a socket to loosen the lug nuts. Always make sure to loosen them before you jack the car up. When jacking up the car, you want to make sure that you put the jack where it should be on the jack point. If you have no idea what that looks like, you might want to research what it looks like specifically for your car. So here you see me loosening the bleeder screws, and I was having some trouble, so I used another wrench to get more strength. Sometimes when bleeding the brakes with the pump, you will see little air bubbles, which means that there was air in the hydraulic system, but it could be hard to tell because there could also be air coming in from the bleeder screws. Here we see the brake fluid with little air bubbles, which is what we want to get out of the brake system. Once you see a steady flow, you can now tighten up the bleeder screw and you are done. Now to be safe, tighten the lug nuts up and slowly test your car going forwards and backwards. Your brakes should be better now and the car should stop on time. That was it for this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media.